Hi! In front of me is CROSSCALL Core M5, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by opening Devices settings and scrolling down to access Sound section. Now scroll down again. Click on Vibrate Vocals and set up the best option for your incoming calls by clicking on it. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with always vibrate. Go back, scroll down, and click on those switches next to vibrate when taking a call, vibrate when ending a call, and touch vibration to switch them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!